something really fishy going on here. No, there is a active collusion between the forces that Trillanes belongs to and the executive department.
Ano bang take mo dito sa maraming ganap at mainit na Lunes dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na doon sa Senado na tila natabunan yung issue ng impeachment doon sa Kamara, Sas?
Well, kasalanan talaga to ng SMNI. Charot.
Isi.
Ikaw talaga.
Hindi, para malighten naman natin ang ating
Oo nga, ang
mga...
bigat eh. Tama ka dyan, sis.
Yes, sa shining tents. Well, unang-una, ano bang masisay ko dito? Ang masisay ko dito is gusto nilang hindi maka-attend si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Because ang nakikita nila is siguro nakakuha na ng 12. Okay? May 12 na pwedeng ma-unseat si Senator Tito Soto. However, sa rules kasi ng Senado, kailangan kasi is simple majority. So it has to be 50% plus 1 of all members of the Senate. Okay. And that is actually 13. Okay? Para matanggal yung para makapag-elect ka ng official. Now, I think etong ginawa nila ngayon na talagang sinugod na talagang kasi kung gusto mo talagang arestuhin, no, arestuhin lang. You can let Bato attend the Senate, and then after the Senate session, you can arrest him afterwards if it's just really your goal to arrest. Pero if your goal is for him not to be able to attend and for him not to be able to cast his vote, then that is a different issue. You are now using the arrest warrant na hindi naman ito valid sa Pilipinas because it has not been evaluated by our local courts, ginagamit mo siya as political tool. So that is the problem, and I hope the Senate would actually investigate this and get to the bottom of this kasi this is not acceptable. Okay. Now, yung sinasabi nilang yun talagang gusto nilang gawin, no? Wag siyang makaboto. That is all there is to it. Arrest ng ICC. How come Secretary Remulla is saying that the warrant that Trillanes has is not actionable? So now you have two different stories and two different actions from the same executive department. Ano ba? Ito kasi si Ana. Kasalanan to ni Ana eh.
Oo nga, ang gulo-gulo nila. Dapat nagtanong ka sa akin kung anong gagawin, di ba sis? Kakaloka yung
Loka? The DILG says that the warrant is not actionable. Now you have an FBI who thinks that it is actionable. But the NBI doesn't have the warrant.
Wala nga eh.
The warrant is with Trillanes. So now you have something really fishy going on here. No, there is a active collusion between the forces that Trillanes belongs to and the executive department. How else could you interpret this? Siguro ang willing participant lang ay NBI because alam mo naman ng NBI ngayon, no? Ano na ngayon sila, bida-bida.
Executive din naman siya, talaga.
Executive din siya. So siguro yan lang ang willing participant. Bakit hindi PNP yung nandun?
Ngayon, nagdi-deploy na sila sis ng mga PNP na nag-ano na sila, na may deployment na rin ng PNP.
Bahala. Siguro yan ang panakot nila kay Bato, no? O wag kang a-attend ha, kasi kapag umattend ka, arestuhin ka namin. Si Bato,
imagine mo, may hide and seek sila ng documents. Sabi ko, ang kagaguhan, mag-hide and seek sila ng documents.
Ngayon, hindi pa yun enforceable kasi kailangan nilang dumaan ng local courts, and I hope that hindi na papayag yung nangyari nung panahon kay PRRD. Kasi yung kay PRRD kasi, I think lahat ay nagulantang, and grabe kasi yung kanilang ginawa noon. Pagkababa ng airport, dinala kagad sa Villamor Air Base, And then from there, sa pilitan na nilang pinapapasok ng eroplano. Which is
Hindi,
wrong. Kasi
punista nga eh, persahan eh.
persahan, ibig sabihin, ang hindi po pwede yon kasi kailangan siyang i-contest sa, kailangan pa siyang tingnan ng local courts. Susuriin pa yan. Ano ba to, enforceable ba to yung warrant? Ang sabi ko nga, yung mga Pilipino, kung sa tingin ninyo na ang foreign warrant of arrest ay hindi na kailangan dumaan sa korte ng Pilipinas, isarado nyo na yung Pilipinas.
Hindi, isarado nila yung judicial system natin, di ba?
Judicial system, ganun lang pala yan eh. Di ba?
diba
Ganun
kasi-
lang pala ang
oo.
proseso eh.
Binabypass nila ang judicial system actually. That's the thing.
So si Trillanes na lang pala ang
Siya yung
magde-decide.
court. Hindi, siya yung judicial system ng Pilipinas, si Trillanes. Imagine mo,
Opinion na lang. Opinion na lang, sasabihin mo, hindi kasi according to Republic ganyan, enforceable siya. Kailangan mo pa siya i-settle pa rin sa court because walang nakalagay
yes.
sa kung ano
Wala,
bang Republic Act na yan that the arrest warrant is actually enforceable. Walang nakalagay. If the law is silent, you cannot say na merong batas. You cannot creatively interpret a law to favor you. Kung silent ang batas, ambiguous, then the only institution in the Philippines that can resolve that ambiguity is our court system. That
Opo.
is what is that is the job of the judiciary, to interpret the law.
Actually,
Kaso
the
meron
Supreme
na
Court.
ata tayo, interpret the law, di ba? It is the court's job to interpret the law. Now, kung ang interpretation lang pala ng batas, kung kay Trillanes lang, okay na, o di ba gawin natin yung constitution, lagyan na natin ng pang-apat na branch of government, Trillanes branch of government, which can interpret law without judicial
At saka,
process.
ang problema pa doon, sis, is ganito. Ano ba ang designation ni Trillanes? He is not even part of government. He's just a private citizen as far as we are concerned. Unless na lang may lihim at may secret na designation siya na hindi pinopronounce at sinasabi ng BBM government. Wala naman. Ewan ko na lang kung meron. So yun pa isang malaking question. Why in the hell Trillanes has this ICC warrant and flashing it inside the Senate? In the very first place, ano ang role mo? Sa anong designation mo? Ano yung
Authority.
official authority mo? To even,
What is
yun
Yeah.
malaking question din yun eh. Hindi ko nga, sabi ko, oh, wow, may ganito na pala sa Pilipinas. Someone like Trillanes can actually have documents like ICC warrant of arrest without even official designation or official authority. Ang tanong, saan nanggagaling ang audacity ni Trillanes to even have those documents? Sinong nagbigay sa kanya? That's even the bigger question.
Opo.
So sabi ko, my
And-
God.
Oo.